Hey, it's Derek, and these are my favorite SMS marketing tools for e-commerce. Let's go. So the thing you should know is that I study tech tools for a living, specifically for e-commerce stores, and I can tell you without a doubt that the SMS marketing space is one of the most contentious spaces, and it is also driving a lot of new players into the space as many platforms are adding SMS to their marketing lineup. Now, primarily, there are 3 different types of SMS marketing tools you will want to consider for your e-commerce store, and it really just depends on the number of resources in your company and how you want to handle SMS. Do you want it to be robust? Do you just need abandoned cart? Are you in need of an omni-channel solution so that it can tie into your other channels? It really depends on your needs. And so those are the categories: a standalone tool versus a multi-channel tool, which is going to be SMS and Messenger, perhaps even include other channels, but doesn't have a CRM built into it. And then the omni-channel tool that really works on that omni-channel experience, typically has email plus SMS and possibly other channels on top of it. All right, so to help guide you through this choice, let me give you some of my favorite tools, and I'll break them down in those categories. First, standalone. SMS Bump is a strong consideration among these tools. Really, they do have one of the most robust feature sets, and they were built for that small and mid-sized e-commerce team, so it's not too clunky or too expensive. SMS Live is one of the newer tools on the market and perhaps one of the smallest feature sets, but I love their team and their customer-centric dedication. While they do have smaller features, they also do have more affordable pricing and might be easier to implement. Attentive Mobile, perhaps one of the enterprise market leaders. They work with big brands like Coach and Sephora to implement massive SMS marketing campaigns. Postscript, a relatively new player in the market, but they have been fast growing, they are well funded, and they are building features dedicated to e-commerce, and fast. Retention Rocket, another newer player to the same space, but with plenty of features centered around that abandoned cart experience and the post-purchase experience. IM-Power, from SMS to WhatsApp, Messenger, Twitter, and every app in between, IM-Power aggregates messaging traffic from most platforms into one dashboard. Multichannel tools. Octane AI, originally Messenger only, they recently added SMS functionality, which goes alongside their robust Messenger marketing feature set for mid-market and enterprise brands. Privy, having just released SMS retargeting on top of their conversion platform, they are good, but I wouldn't call this a standalone SMS tool. It's to be integrated into Privy's existing tool set. ManyChat is known for their chat bot and their flow building features, and they have both SMS and Messenger, having just more recently launched SMS. Toby combines SMS and Messenger tools focused at key stages of the funnel: abandoned cart, new customer, win back, promotional offers, flash sales, and more. Jumper AI, a tool I am super bullish on. It is a conversational commerce platform that allows you to make purchases directly on channel in SMS. And that's pretty cool. Then we've got our 2 omni-channel tools that I wanted to mention today. Klaviyo being the market leader for e-commerce email marketing for quite some time. They have a robust CRM, great templates, and have recently launched SMS capabilities. That being said, their SMS capabilities are new, and there are some features still being developed, and their cost per message send is a little higher than the rest of the industry. But you also don't have to actually pay any monthly fees for SMS marketing. And then we have OmniSend. OmniSend was founded in 2014 and serves over 50,000 customers. They were built from the ground up to serve that omni-channel marketer experience. Hopefully this is all marketers at this point. Those are my main picks for SMS marketing today, but there are plenty of other great competitors in the space. If you're thinking about going with any one of these tools, please take a second here to find my partner link below, which will help my partners track how you heard about this, as well as help us pay the bills. Next steps. After choosing the SMS marketing tool that is right for you, you're going to integrate it into your site, and you need to start opting in new users to the platform. Please, oh please note, just because you have a list of phone numbers doesn't mean you have a list of opted-in SMS marketing users. Texting over 50 non-opted-in users at one time could result in massive fines and penalties. That being said, I have seen people try to text people and even text them to say, hey, respond to this message to opt into text messaging, which seems kind of gray hattish, possibly just straight out not legal. Remember, SMS marketing is a heavily regulated space, or at least a reasonably regulated space. I prefer to email them asking them to opt in through email. They click a link and that'll take them to a form where they can put in their phone number and properly opt in. From there, you'll look to add growth tools to your site, perhaps a pop-up that collects phone numbers either instead or on top of email, and that checkout checkbox is extremely powerful as well. You also want something on the thank you page so that right after they purchase, they can easily add their phone number in case they didn't do it prior. Over time, you will grow your list and truly feel the power and revenue behind this channel. Be sure to integrate your customer service platform and have support agents standing by whenever you send out a massive blast, because there are sure to be multiple inquiries coming back at you, and you want to engage with these prospects in real time. Consider integrating a referral and loyalty program into SMS by sending each user their own custom link that they can share with others and letting them know how many loyalty points they have via SMS. Abandoned cart will always be the biggest revenue driver from SMS, with repeat purchase campaigns being very valuable as well. Once you've got this set up, I'd say your SMS strategy is at least up to minimally viable for e-commerce today. You're going to want to continue to optimize campaigns, figure out new messaging, incorporate emojis and GIFs, and please, for the love of Pete, be human, because you do not want people marking you as spam. You do not want to be known as a spam responder, and you want people to stay opted into your list. So the more human you can bring to this channel, the better. Those were my top picks for SMS marketing tools in the e-commerce space. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you are thinking of using any one of those tools, please find my partner link somewhere below. If you have any questions on how to implement SMS marketing as it relates to the rest of your tool stack, hit me up. I do free tech stack consultations and would love to chat about your SMS marketing strategy and how it can incorporate the rest of your tools. That's it for me, Derek Haney. I will see you next time.